Get ready to dive into the best local music from around the world only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
We're bent to break and you're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Is Roman Riot, Atlas.
Where can you hear local music from bands like The Fugitives, Capgun Alliance, Belfast Six Pack, and Triumph Under Fire? Only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
You're strapped with a love-hate relationship.
Now that love is blind, 'cause you put that veil over my eyes.
Fable, and you're listening to Tri-City Local Radio.
October the 16th at 9 p.m. the Casbah, 807 West Walnut Street, Johnson City, Tennessee presents Dysfunction, Damage Done, and Triumph Under Fire. Admission is $10. This is an 18-plus show.
Where can you hear artists like Divided We Stand, Avid Addiction, Promise the World, Scent of Remains, and Damage Done? Only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Change your words to what you are. A self-deterring pestilence is what you've become. And just hide away after your death, a knife, and leave
Josh from A Fleeting Farewell. You're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
It's dysfunction next to me.
Do you want me or need me, please? Keep me begging for more. Do you get your kicks when I bleed? Lying on the floor. Do you need me when you're yanking on my chain? Yeah, on my chain. Do you hate me when you're lying next to me? Yeah, next to me. Oh yeah, next to me. Do you love to hate me, you see? Walking out that door. Then you come back and cause this pain. Finish what you start.